to another vlog. In today's video, we're gonna be talking all about organization. You know, usually I'm focusing all about the aesthetic, how to get your home to look pretty and Pinterest worthy, but I feel like for your home to really look top notch, it needs to be organized. It needs to look nice and neat and put together, or else any decor that you get, it's just not gonna look as good. It's just not gonna hit as hard. If you're anything like I am, my house was due for some organization. It had been a while. So I'm basically gonna walk you through our house and show you some of the organizational things that we have. Very affordable, very aesthetic. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoy today's video. If you want your home to not only be aesthetic, but organized and neat and pretty, this is definitely the video for you. Give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. We do all things home over here on this channel. Home updates, home decor hauls, interior design, and now some organization sprinkled in. So without further ado, if you wanna see the organization systems that we have in our house, then please just keep on watching. So clearly you can see over here, I just have my makeup brushes organized on the side, my beauty sponges in this little jar. But the biggest difference that I made is over here inside the actual vanity. I organized all of my makeup in these clear containers. I'll take one out so that you can see, but basically it looks like this. Very, very practical. I really like the way that this looks. I got rid of so much makeup, so I really don't even have that much, but what I do have is nice, neat, and organized, and that makes me really happy. So yeah, I just have kind of like my palettes organized, like just the little makeup that I have, eye stuff, lashes, some extra sponges back there that just they need to be washed. But yeah, I really like these clear organizers. They make everything so much more practical, organized. I know what I have now. Nothing's getting piled on top. I mean, I do have like a couple of things here, but nothing major. Like I can just lift this up and see it. This is perfect in my opinion. I really wanted to show you how I have my perfumes organized. I'm pretty sure Briella came in here and like took some off of here, so like they might be randomly, I don't know. I could have sworn I had more down here. I just have my perfumes stacked up. I really don't have that many. I have a few back here that are pretty old, but they're very sentimental to me. I don't wear those on a regular basis. Anyway, so basically I just have my perfumes layered on this little tray here. I think this is really pretty. I love how it looks, obviously with the light shining on it. It's just very girly, but it just makes use of the space. Before I just kind of had them laying flat, and this makes it easier to see. I definitely could go back and maybe put this one up top here and just kind of switch it around so that it's in height order, but you get the idea. It comes in a pack of 2. I'll link it down below. This is like key if you have a bunch of perfumes that you want on display. Love this. This is where I store pretty much all of my products, from hair care, skin care, body care. So I just wanted to show you how I have everything organized. Again, I know, I feel like this is definitely overkill. This is crazy, I get it. But realistically, it's not that bad. Yeah, it is. It's terrible. Not me trying to make an excuse for this. It's because all of it is together and this cabinet is so huge. I don't know, again, making excuses, but I really like these bins that I have in here. I have some bins like this that I can separate my sheet masks and lip masks. It just keeps it very organized, and I'm obsessed with it. Then I have some smaller ones where I keep my contacts in. I have my skincare down here and these Lazy Susans. Everything is just very organized, and it's not cramped either. I will say, like, now that I have it organized like this, I'm able to actually see what I have. So this is definitely a result of overbuying because I didn't have it organized. So now that everything is in its proper place, I can start to work down this collection of products. This is like a full-on CVS aisle right here. So I don't have to buy stuff for years, but I do have a lot. I do have it organized, and these clear bins are literally key. So, okay, I'm gonna save the best for last. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this because I make reels about everything in my home. But look at how the mugs are organized, you guys. I am so happy about this. So obviously up here, we just have them out regular. That's not, I mean, that's fine. But the organizational parts really are these holders for your mugs. I love these because it makes it look like, I don't know, like you're at a restaurant or something, and it's just very organized and perfectly neat. So I will say about these organizers, I don't know if you can tell, but you can only fit your mugs on every other one. So if you try to put a mug right next to the other one, you see how the mug kind of sticks out? Like you're just not able to fit another one on here. So you have to fit them on every other hook, unless you have super tiny mugs. But if you have just like a normal size mug, like this is just a regular mug, I have to do every other, which is fine. I could always buy another one for these mugs up here. And these are like kind of my bigger, like wider ones. They don't fit. Like I would have to do like every two. This is pretty small in my opinion, and you still have to do every other. So that's just something to keep in mind. It's still super cute. If you don't have a ton of mugs, this will be good for you. Just wanted to keep that in mind. I still love them though. I think this is super cute, and just, it just makes me feel relief. Like, you know that feeling when stuff is super organized and you're just like, ooh, I can breathe. That's how this makes me feel, because before it was like mug city. Like there were mugs spilling out of this cabinet, and now it's just so nice and neat. Okay, you guys, and then coming over here, this is my new favorite drawer. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited about this spice drawer. Hold on, it kind of slides. That's the only thing about this, is that it slides. So I also have another row, actually 2 rows that can fit. I just don't have enough spices. Like it would just be empty spice jars. I got way too many jars, way too many of these drawer organizers, but it's fine. A part of me is like, just buy some spices so that it'll look like filled up and organized. But then I'm like, is that crazy? I don't know. Don't be surprised if you see more spices in here in the future. Like, I'm just so tempted to run out and like just buy random spices so that it looks aesthetic, but I can always just do it like this. From here, like it's fine. I think it's super cute. I have all of my spices labeled and organized, and I'm just very, very happy with this. I think this looks so aesthetic. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this. This is just so much more convenient too. First of all, you'll notice that the drawers underneath, those are from IKEA. I have them labeled. I showed you that in a few videos ago, but I have a ton of filing cabinets in here just because, well, are these filing folder organizers in here? Just because that's what I need to keep my life organized. I have them organized by like the kids stuff, like doctor's appointments for the kids, things like that. And then I also have lots of bins and baskets in here, as you can see. I just have like my masks that I need, some cleaning stuff up there, sunglasses, just like random stuff that I need either for work or just for my life in general. And I'm really excited about these purse hooks. They look like this, they're gold, they're very girly. I thought this was just super duper cute. If I turn it, you can kind of see the back of it. You literally just hang your purse on here. And I thought this was so adorable. So yeah, this is just the office organization over here. Like I have these Lazy Susans with pens, this rolly cart here, my camera bag, just things that I need. And then I have my whiteboard over here. I write down like my video ideas. This is what the office is looking like. I just really, really love how this is organized. Very functional, very aesthetic, and I'm here for it. Okay, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Those are all of the organizational items that we have around our house. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of the organizational must-haves, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.